Panda Surgical is a University College London spinout where we're trying to introduce the first ever handheld robotic platform for minimally invasive neurosurgery to make this operation safer, more effective, and more widely adopted. We're very excited about the future of robotic surgery. Prior to spinning out, I was doing my PhD studies here at UCL. This product we're developing is a straight continuation of those PhD studies. We managed to find investment that span out into Panda Surgical. Currently, we are still incubated in UCL spaces. We take advantage of the wider UCL ecosystem, seeking advice from the wider UCL network, whether it is professional or academic or neurosurgeons. We are also supported on a corporate and business basis by UCLB. Being within the wider UCL ecosystem means we get clinical advice and expertise with access to academics that are among the best in their field, and that always is really helpful for accelerating your development. UCL has a very strong appetite for entrepreneurship, for industry collaboration, and I think that helps because a lot of the avenues which you need to explore are already set up.